Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have my first case for the Galaxy Watch Ultra to review, but it also comes with a tempered glass screen protector also. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. I need to shout out Ringke for actually sending these cases out to me for review. But it's their slim case, but it also has a tempered glass that comes with it. So we'll definitely go ahead and try to install it and see how this case fits. I think it's just for protection of the beautiful watch there. But let's see. They sent me out one that's clear, matte black, which I might use the most, I don't know. Also one that says titanium black, that's pretty cool. And then one that is alpine clear, which is probably like a matte clear or frosted clear type of case. So let's just start with the black titanium. Let's see what you get in this bad boy. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoying y'all Watch Ultra. I'm enjoying it so far. So you have some installation tips on here. You have the watch case here too. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else you get in here. You get this little pamphlet thing here, little book. You get the screen protector. I mean, they give you all kind of goodies in here. You get the little holders here. Bam. I mean, when you buy this from Amazon, you get a lot of stuff that you can use for your watch. So then you get the little squeegee. So you know what we want to do? We want to clean the watch. What you want to do? Make sure you get the oils off of it. Again, doing this at nighttime, doing this not on the camera probably be easier, but we're going to clean this bad boy off. So you have your screen protector. What I did was just put one of those little things on here, and we're going to try to flap this in there as good as I can. And there you go. It is on there. It fits beautiful. That is a good screen protector there. I know some people say, oh, you don't need a screen protector. I don't care if it's sapphire or not. I want to protect my glass. I don't care. So here's the case too. I mean, this is not a heavy duty case. The watch is already big enough. I don't think you want a big heavy case on there, but this is this here. So what we're gonna do is just, I mean, bam, just like that. Look at it. So it gives you a little bit more protection for your screen there. Let's see, the buttons are easy to get to. Not a problem at all. The rotating bezel works good. You have the cutouts for the microphone there. You still have access to taking off your watch bands. So this is, I kind of like this one too. I kind of like that one. Let me open up the other ones. Let's check out the other colors and see what other colors that they have and see how it looks on this watch. But yeah, I mean, everything works good with the screen protector on there. Everything looks good. You have all your cutouts there. Bam. You get the lay down. So if you want to put your watch upside down, I don't know why you would, but it's just going to protect the outside of it. Like from hitting it or, you know, just hitting the walls or whatever you hit, bump into. But let's see. Let's check out the other colors really quick. So the clear is kind of like a frosted back kind of clear. That's the I mean, this is the alpine kind of frosted. This is the clear one. You have the matte black. Let's try them on. Let's see how hard it is to get off too. And now it's quite easy to take off too. Let's go back. So put it on like that, and then you just grab. Comes off. Let's try the alpine clear one. Kind of shows off the beauty of your watch. I don't know if I like that color or not, but If you do, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick up one. If you want just a clean, clear case, there you go. That way it just doesn't get dented up or scratched when you are walking around. Now, my favorite probably will be this matte black one. I like that matte black, and then I like the black titanium one. I don't know which one y'all like better. Y'all let me know. Either both of the clears, the titanium one, or the matte black. Y'all let me know which one you like best. I don't know. I think I like the matte one better. But you definitely can pick these up from Amazon. It's just a simple, not a heavy duty watch case. But it will protect it from getting beat up and scratches and stuff. But again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.